If you're struggling with basic statistical concepts on the Praxis 5003 exam, this video is going to change everything for you. Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 21 years of teaching and a test prep expert with study.com. In this video, we'll focus on the basic statistical concepts of the Praxis 5003 mathematics exam. This section checks your understanding of mean, median, mode, range, and how to interpret simple data sets. You'll have about 5 minutes total or 80 seconds per question, so pace yourself. I'll show you each question with a timer. Try to solve it before the time runs out, then stay till the end for all the correct answers and explanations. Let's dive in.
Praxis Time Challenge!
Question 1. What is the mean of the following data set? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A 15, B 16, C 20, D 12. Question 2. What is the median of the following data set? 3, 8, 12, 15, 20. A 8, B 12, C 15, D 3. Question 3. Which of the following data sets has a mode of 5? Please look at the set of numbers to find the correct answer. Question 4. What is the range of the following data set? 10, 25, 30, 45, 50. A 50, B 30, C 35, D 40.
Praxis Town Challenge!
Question 1. What is the mean of the following data set? To calculate the mean, add all the numbers in the data set and divide by the number of values. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25 equals 75. Take 75 and divide it by 5 because there are 5 numbers. 75 divided by 5 equals 15. The correct answer is A, 15. Question 2. What is the median of the following data set? The median is the middle value in an ordered data set. When the data set is arranged in ascending order, such as 3, 8, 12, 15, and 20, you look at the middle value. The number in the middle is 12. Question 3. Which of the following data sets has a mode of 5? The mode is the value that occurs most frequently in the data set. So looking at your choices, you will see that in choice B, 5 appears 3 times, making it the mode. B is the correct answer. Question 4. What is the range of the following data set? 10, 25, 30, 45, 50. The range is the difference between the largest and smallest values in the data set. In this case, 50 minus 10 equals 40. The correct answer is D. How did you do? Remember, the goal isn't just to memorize steps, it's to recognize patterns, use smart strategies, and stay confident under timed conditions. For more practice, check out our Praxis Elementary Education Mathematics 5003 playlist. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy studying.
Praxis Time Challenge!